Hello, everyone. Thanks for stopping by the channel today. It's Mean Green with Mean Green Street Picks. 17 years of breaking the books is what I do. Join the winning team. Come aboard. Get yourself some winners, guys, so you can meet me at the window. Not a good day yesterday. 1-3 on the card yesterday. 1-3 on the card yesterday. Not a good day. Let's have a good day today, guys. YouTube winner for you yesterday did cash. Tampa Bay Rays on the money line. Cash that ticket. Meet me at the window. You know what time it is, everybody. Let's get another YouTube winner for you today. It will be in the MLB. We're going to take a look at the Texas Rangers and the Houston Astros game, guys. If you would be so kind, hit the like, hit the subscribe. Also, turn on the notification bell so you will be notified when new content comes out on this channel. I am Mean Green. Monday through Friday, I come to you guys 1 p.m., Saturdays and Sundays, 11 a.m., just to try to help you beat your book. Put a little bit of cash in your pockets, guys. Let's keep this momentum going. Let's get another YouTube winner for you today. Houston Astros, Texas Rangers, over the posted total of 9. Houston Astros, Texas Rangers, over the posted total of 9 is where you want to be at. Let's hammer it. Let's smash it. Let's make some money today. It will be a huge day today. 6 plays on the card today. 2 plays in hockey. 2 plays in MLB. And 2 plays also in the NBA today. Do come get some winners. Join the winning team. Let's make some money. It's your boy, Mean Green. You know the drill. Meet me at the window.